Welcome to our YouTube channel Don Bosco School Tinsukia. So previously I have given you notes on ACF and LCM. Today we'll see what is ACF and LCM. So before explaining, we'll see some terms that is important for us. So first is our common factors. In common factors, what do you mean by common factor? Factors which are common to a given pair of numbers. That means we have to take two pair of numbers. From that two pair of numbers, what we will see? What are the common factors of the two numbers? For example, let us take two numbers, that is 24 and 18. So for the number 24, we will see what are the factors of 24. Again for the number of 18, we will see what are the factors of 18. From that, we will take out the common factors. Okay. So our first thing is to do, first we will see the factor of 24 and 18. Let us start with 1. So in the house of 1, 24 is there or not? 124 is a 24. Definitely in the house of 124 is there, therefore 124 is a 24. Again in the house of 18, house of 1, 18 is there or not? 1 18s are 18, of course it is there. So 1 is a common multiple of both 24 and 18. Now let us come to the second number, that is 2. In the house of 2, 24 is there or not? Let us see. 2 12s are 24 or 12 2s are 24. Definitely in the house of 2, 24 is there. Again in the house of 2, 18 is there or not? Let us recall the table of 2, multiplication table of 2. I hope you all have learned. So in the house of 2, 2 how much are 18? 2 9s are 18. We know. Again in the house of 3. Now let us come to 3. In the house of 3, 24 is there or not? Definitely it is there. If you recall the house of 3, what you will get? 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Again in the house of 3, 18 is there or not? Let us see. 3 how much are 18? 3 6 are 18. Of course it is there. Now let us come to 5. In the house of 5, 24 is there or not? Recall the table of multiplication table of 5. In the house of 5, 24 is there or not? 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. No, 24 is not there in the house of 5. So we have not written here 5. Okay. Similarly, in the house of 5, 18 is also not there. If you recall the multiplication table of 5. Now let us come to 6. In the house of 6, 24 is there or not? Of course it is there, because 6 4s are 24. Again in the house of 6, 18 is there or not? Yes, it is there. 6 3s are 18. So 1 2 3 6 has the same common factors. Is that clear? These houses have both 24 and 18. Therefore 1 2 3 and 6 are the common multiples of two numbers, two pair of numbers, that is. So let us see other numbers. I have written here 24. So 24 is a factor of 24 or not? Yes, because 24 ones are 24. Again 4 is a factor of 24 or not? Yes, because 4 6 are 24. Again 8 is a factor of 24 or not? Yes, because 8 3s are 24. Again 12 is a factor of 24 or not? Because previously we have done 2 is a factor, 24 is a factor of 2. 2 12s are 24, so 12 2s are 24 also. So every factors we have to write. Only one side factor we need not to write. Every factors we have to write. Okay. So next, let us see here in this circle. So what is how 18 comes? Because 18 is also a factor of 18. Because 18 ones are 18. As 1 80s are 18, 18 ones are also 18. So 9, previously we have got, because 2 9s are 18, so 9 is also a factor of 18. Both the sides we have to see, not only one side. Okay. So from these two numbers, these two pair of numbers, 24 and 18, we have took out the common multiples, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Next, so what we have got? The definition of common factors. Factors which are common to a given pair of numbers. So these numbers are the common factors to the given pair of numbers. Is it clear? So let us come to the next point, that is prime factorization. What is prime factorization? The method of writing a number as the product of prime numbers. So prime factorization is nothing but we are writing a number as the product of primes. Suppose we are taking two numbers, okay, any number. So if we break that number, so that is known as the prime factorization. We have to break as the product of prime numbers. Let us see in the example. So there are two types of prime factorization. Okay, one is division and the other one is factor 3. Now let us come to division. What is division? 36. 36. 2 how much are 36? 2 18s are 36, because 2 1s are 2, 1 carry 16 here comes. 2 8s are 16. Again Can we multiply this 18 by 2? Yes, because in the house of 2, 18 is there. 2 9s are 18. Again 9 came. So 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. So what are the prime factorization of 36? Number 36. What are the prime factorization of number 36? 2, 2, 3 and 3. Again, so it is clear. This is the LCM method. Okay. Now let us come to the other type, that is factor tree. So in the factor tree, let us see 36. How much are 36? We'll break first of all 36. We know 4 9s are 36 is present. Okay. So 4 9s are 36. Again we can break this 4 to the 2 prime numbers, that is 2 2s are 4. Again we can break this 9 in 2 prime numbers, that is 3 3s are 9. Okay. So same thing we have got or not? In the division method also we have got 2 2 3 3, and in this factor tree also we have got 2 2 3 and 3. Is that clear? Now let us come to the next point, that is our common multiples. Common multiples. We have just learned about factors. Now let us come to multiples. What do you mean by common multiple? So common multiples. What are common multiples? Multiples which are common to a given pair of number. Okay, multiples which are common to a given pair of numbers. Multiples which are common to a given pair of numbers. So we'll take 2 pair of numbers. Let us take any 2 pair of numbers. Suppose we are taking 2 pair of numbers, that is 2 and 3. Let us take 2 pairs. For example, 2 pair of numbers is what? 2 pair of numbers are 2 and 3. Let us check what are the common multiples of 2 and 3. So let us see what are the common multiples of 2 and 3. So if my question is what are the first 5 common multiples of 2 and 3, what we will write? What are the first 5 common multiples of 2 and 3? What we can say? What are the first 5 common multiples of 2 and 3? First 5. What are they? 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6. Is 6 a common multiple of both 2 and 3? Yes, because in the house of 2, 6 is there, and again in the house of 3 also 6 is there. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Again 6, then 7 is not there, then 8 is also not there. Let us see 9. 9 is also not there because in the house of 2, 9 is not there. Then let us come to 10. Okay, in the house of 2, 10 is not there, but in the house of 2, 10 is there, but in the house of 3, 10 is not there. Now let us come to 11. 11 is not there because 11 is not there in both the numbers. Let us come to 12. In the house of 2 and 3, both the houses 12 is present. So 12 is also a common multiple of 2 and 3. 12 because 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Next, first 5, okay, 1 2 we have written. Next 12, then 13 is not there. 14 check, 14 is also not there. 15 both the numbers doesn't have 15. 3 have but 2 doesn't have. Okay, then 16, then 17 also not there. Then let us check for 18. In the house of 2, 18 is there. Again in the house of 3 also 18 is there. 2 how much are 18? 2 9s are 18. Then 3 how much are 18? 3 6 are 18. So here will be 18. Okay, 6 12 then 18. Then 24 is there and 30. Because these two numbers are that numbers which is present in both the houses of 2 and 3. So the first 5 common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Is it clear? Now let us come to the next point, that is composite number. What do you mean by composite number? composite number. So what is a composite number? A number that has more than two factors. Okay, a number that has more than two factors. Now let us check what are composite numbers. A number which has more than two factors. Okay. For example, can you give me some example? You can think yourself, right? So what, can you give me some examples? Composite number, a number which has more than two factors. Like, can you give me some example? More than two factors. Like 4, then 6, 8, etc. Isn't it? So this is known as composite number. So here we have learned about common multiples and composite number. Now let us come to our next point. That is, what is that? Prime numbers. In class also I have told you several times what is prime numbers. Now can you recall what is a prime number? What is a prime number? A number that has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. The number that has only two factors, that is the number 1 and itself. Okay, so this is known as prime numbers. So can you give me some example of prime numbers? For example, can you give me some examples of prime numbers? 2, because 2 has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. 2 ones are 2, 1 and 2, two factors only. Again 3, because 3 has also two factors, 1 and the number itself. 1 3 is a 3 and 3 1 is a 3. So only two factors. Likewise 5, then etc. So these are the numbers that are called as prime numbers. Okay. So this some are the points which you should know. ACF, that is highest common factor. Okay. So the highest common factor of two numbers is the greatest number of two now is the greatest number that divides both the numbers completely. Okay. ACF is also known as greatest common divisor, which is there in your book. So let us understand how to find out ACF of two numbers. Let us take two numbers. Suppose find the ACF of 12 and 18. Okay. Solution, how will you? ACF of 12 and 18. First we will take LCM of 12, then again we will take LCM of 18. How much? 2. Prime factorization. We will take prime factorization of two numbers, that is 12 and 18. So what is the prime factorization of 12 and what is the prime factorization of 18? 2 6 are 12, then 2 3s are 6, then 3 1s are 3. What is the prime factorization of 18? 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, again 3 1s are 3. So what are the prime factorization of 12 and what are the prime factorization of 18? Let us see. 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. And what is the prime factorization of 18? 18 equals to 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore, ACF equals to how much? Can you see me the common number? Where it is? 3. 3 is only common here. So, 3 and 2. Both are common here. So, 2 into 3. So here 6 is the highest common factor of 12 and 18. Okay. Now let us see example 5.1. I hope you all are clear with my sum. Okay. Let us see more sums of exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. So what is the question? 42 and 56. One number I am showing you. 42 and 56. Okay. So 42. Let us do the prime factorization of 42. Then we will do the prime factorization of 56. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 6. 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. 7 1s are 7. Therefore, 42 equals to how much? 2 into 3 into 7. Then 56 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So can you say me what are the common numbers of both 42 and 56? What are the common factors? What are the common factors of both 42 and 56? 2 is a common factor. Then here 3 is there, here 3 is not there. Here 7 is there. Yes, 7 is also a common factor of both 42 and 56. Can you say me the LCM then? Therefore, sorry, I'm very sorry, this is ACF. So can you say me the ACF? ACF equals to what? 2 into 7. 2 into 7 equals to what? 14. So one number I have shown you. I hope you people are clear. Okay, so our ACF is 14. Now let us come to the next sum. Let us show me question number 8. 1 8. Okay. Number. Our question 8 number is 108 and 130. 108 and 130. Now let us do the prime factorization of 108 and prime factorization of 130. We know we have to always start with a small number. Let us start with 2. 2 5s are 10, then 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, it became 14, so 2 7s are 14. In the house of 2, 27 is not there, so 3 9s are 27. Then again 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Let us start with 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10. In the house of 2, 65 is not there, so 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 13 1s are 13. Okay, now 108 equals to, what are the prime factorization of 108? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. And what is the prime factorization of 130? 2 into 5 into 13. So what are the common numbers? Can you see me? 2. 2. Okay. Therefore, ACF equals to what? 2. So this is the answer. I think you all are getting. Okay. Now let us come to exercise 5.2. There in exercise 5.2, here 2 numbers are there. Now to find the ACF of 2 numbers in exercise 5.2, we will see how to find the ACF of 3 numbers. ACF of 3 numbers. Exercise 5.2. So now let us see question number. Let us see question number 2. 9, 15 and 33. 9, 15 and that is our 33. Okay. 9. Then 15 we will take prime factorization of 15. Then again we will take prime factorization of 33. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So this is a small number. Then 15. 3 5s are 15. Again 5 1s are 5. 33 what? 11 3s are 33. 3 1s are 3 or 3 11s are 33. 11 1s are 11. Like that also we can write. Now 9 equals to, what are the prime factorization of 9? 3 and 3. Prime factorization of 15 is 3 into 5. Then what is the prime factorization of 33? That is 11 into 3. So can you say me what are the common factors of 9, 15 and 33? 3. 3 is the common factorization of 9, 15 and 33. Therefore, ACF of 9, 15 and 33 equals to how much? 3. So this is our answer. I hope you people are clear. Now let us come to the next question, that is question number 5. Let me change the chalk. That is question number 5. 30, 45 and 95. 30, 45 and 95. So in the same we will take first of all prime factorization of 30 we will take, then prime factorization of 45 we will take, then we will take prime factorization of 95. Okay. So let us start with 2. 2 15s are 30, then 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5. 45, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, then 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15, again 5 1s are 5. Let us start with 5. 5 9s are 45. Okay. 5 1s are 5, 4 carry, 45 that side became, so 5 9s are 45. Here 19 1s are 19. Now ACF of 30 equals to I'm very sorry, prime factorization of 30 equals to 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Then prime factorization of 45 equals to 3 into 3 into 5. Then prime factorization of 95 equals to 5 into 19. Therefore, ACF of 30, 45 and 95 equals to how much? What are the common factors of 30, 45 and 95? Can you say me? 3, 3, 3. No. 5, 5, 5. Only 5 is the common factor. Here we can see. Therefore, ACF of 30, 45 and 95 is 5. Okay. I hope you people are clear. So in our next class, we'll start with our next topic. Thank you.